What's up, guys? So today we will be reviewing our pom pom slime from my pom pom slime tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So it isn't really that stretchy, but it is kind of relaxing because of the little balls that are in here. The pom poms, actually, because it is a pom pom slime. So yeah, so this is what the pom-poms look like now because of slime. So, yeah. So it is a good poker. And it is a really pretty color, and I do not like the fact that you cannot see the pom-poms because the pom-poms were like, when I made it, it was literally like the show-stopping thing. But now you can't see them at all. Like all you see is like these big balls. It looks weird. So it is a really good poker. It doesn't like rip if you do this. Well, I did that on purpose, but like it doesn't rip like the Anchor Art slime review slimes. So yeah. It is pretty thick though. It makes okay swirls. But like I really don't care about that because I don't make good swirls myself. So yeah. This slime, it has a lot of glitter. It has black, gold, and some green glitter in it. I don't know how, but yeah, it does. And maybe from one of the green glitter pom-poms that I put in here. But it does make this like satisfying sound like that. And it's really pretty. So I would give this slime